Hey everyone, welcome to TryNoCode. Today we are diving into the world of UX UI. If you're passionate about creating user-friendly interface and delightful experience, you're in the right place. I'm excited to show you a few tips and tricks that's going to save you a ton of your time. Shortcut number one that you can use and which I use as a designer all the time is how to duplicate all the elements on your canvas. So for example, you want to duplicate this screen right here. So we have keys for the Windows user as well as for the Mac users. So all you have to do is just click on the screen. You have to select it, make sure it's selected, and just press Control and D. And that's how it will be duplicated right in front of it. So it's just that easy. Another example that we have here is suppose this screen, these elements are auto layout, and you want to repeat the same pattern. So you have to just select one of these and you can just select two of them and just press Control and D, and that's how it will be duplicated right below it. Another cool tip that I have for you is search plugin. So when you're working on a project and you have to search for a plugin for the right plugin, all you have to do is press control and slash together. So search bar, this little search bar will appear on the screen and you can search any plugin that you're looking for. So right now, based on our requirement, I can suggest you one plugin that you can use, which is Unsplash. So we have the keys right here for the Windows user as well as for the Mac users. So this plugin is loading, just a second. Yeah, so we have this dialog bar for here. So for example, if you're looking for another image for vegetables, all we have to do is just type vegetables or veggies and press search. So we can get different options for it. And since just make sure this layer is selected, which you have to change, and click anywhere on the screen, and that's how it will be replicated on your Figma. Third tip that I have for you is how you can save your time while exporting all your designs to your project managers, to developers, to stakeholders, or wherever you want to share your designs. So this is going to be a legit blessing for you. All you have to do is make sure it's selected first of all, and then press Control Shift and C, and it will be copied as PNG. And you can select and you can just send it anywhere. For example, if I just open a document and create a new document for this, um, and that's how I can just paste it, Control V, and that's how it will get pasted. I can just adjust it according to the size I want. But it is that easy to share your designs. Instead of exporting all your elements on the screen, it will save you a lot of time. Another tip that you can use is to create styles. It's more of a suggestion than a tip, and it also going to maximize your productivity. So for example, if you have a color palette, right, and you have set your primary color. So let me just show you how you can create style first of all. So for example, right now I'm just going to change this color. It's already created, so I'm just going to detach it. I can select another color. For example, since it's a veggie or vegetable related art, so let me just select green color. So all I have to do is press on this no I have to press on this four dots. I have to click plus and make sure it's under style. This one is highlighted, and I have to set it as style, new style. So, and that's how this new style is created. And I have to select all the elements, or what I can do is, since I have the code for this style, So I can just copy this code, and I know like everywhere, all the places where primary color is used. So I can just go to the primary color. I can change the code of it, and it will and the color will be changed all over the platform. Fifth tip that I have for you is how you can duplicate your screen in less than 1 second. Yes, I've already told you two tips that you can use, but this is another one that I personally use it all the time. So all you have to do is select the frame and just drag it on whichever side you want. For example, I want the screen to be here. So I can just press alt, and my frame is already selected, and I can just drag it. Another tip, you can use alt and shift so that it you don't have to make the alignments after it. And also you can just do the same thing with the elements inside the frame. For example, if I just select it, and I can just drag by pressing shift and alt just underneath it, and I don't have to adjust the pixels since I've selected shift. So thank you. These were the few tips and tricks that I wanted to share. I hope you share it with your fellow designers, and I hope you use them. And thank you.